That monkey gave you a kiss. Can you say hi, Mr. Monkey? Hi, Mr. Monkey. Hi, Mr. Monkey. He gave you kisses. There's that monkey. There's that monkey. Okay, making noises. He's making noises. Hi. He's gonna give you a big hug. He's gonna give you a big hug. A big hug. Oh. Does he make noises? Does he make noises? Is he gonna give you a kiss? He got your nose. He got your nose. Do you want to touch him? Do you want to touch him? He says, pet me. He says, pet me, monkey. How about monkey? Pet me.
Dr. Blair? These are my patients. I thought I took you off this case. The detectives are interviewing them. I was just observing. I'm Casey Novak.
Hello. 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 Mr. Monkey's talking to you. Mr. Monkey's talking to you. Ooh. Ooh. Do you want to give him hugs? Do you want to give him hugs? Huh? Do you want to give him hugs? Oh, God bless you. Oh, God bless you, little Jakey man. Yeah. Yeah. Do you hear the monkey? He's rattling at you. Yeah. Yeah. Can you say hi, handsome? Can you tell everybody hi? Can you tell everybody hi? Huh? Can you tell everybody hi? Hi, handsome. Hi, handsome. Can you tell him you love your monkey? Can you tell him you love your monkey? Do you love your monkey? He gives you kisses. He gives you kisses. Here he is. Oh, look at that monkey. Get him. Get him. Get that monkey. Get that monkey. Get that monkey. Hi, Jake. Oh, do you like your monkey, Jake? Do you like your monkey? You do. Do you like your monkey? Oh, push him away. Oh, you got him. You got him. You got that monkey. He said hi. He said hi. Oh. Can you say bye? Gonna get fussy.